Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Artlockercreation. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can make a quilling card like this. Let's begin without wasting any time. You need to make 3 flowers like this, the 2 pieces of these half flowers, and 6 swirls, and some of the small tight coiled beads. Here I have joined 2 strips and I have made a loose coil. Here I am using a half strip. Now your petal is ready, and you need to make 7 pieces of these petals to complete one flower. Take a single strip and make a tight coil, and you have to make 5 pieces of this for a single flower. Here I have taken a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch craft paper of yellow color. This is the center of the flower which I am making, and here I have added in the center the half pearl bead, surrounding which I will be adding the tight coil beads which I have already made. Here I have joined 2 strips together, and I am using them to make a tight ring around the centerpiece of the flower. Now the center part of the flower is ready, and we will be combining the base and the center part of the flower together. Now here we are making a single petal of this half flower. I've taken a single strip and I'm making a loose coil, and then I'll be giving it a teardrop shape. Here I've taken the 3 half strips to make a swirl. Let's start arranging all the parts which we have made. Quilling greeting card is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.